Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to show you guys how I got this hairstyle, short braids. It's so cute and it's really quick and easy to achieve. So I wanted to show you how I got it. This is not really the best angle. It's a really cute, easy to do hairstyle. I'm gonna show you. The clip may look different, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's actually my first day going to work with this hairstyle, with these braids. Like, I've had other braids and I've worn them with this hairstyle, but not with short ones. So it's actually kind of different with short ones because it's just so cute and like short and little, and I like it. The edges, laid the edges, you know what I'm saying? As usual, per usual. If you want to know how I got this look and how I achieved it, just keep on watching. I don't know if I look crazy. I should put it here. Oh no, that looks bad. Okay, yeah. I'm just trying to get comfortable and I can't. Okay, so hi guys, this is the other half of the video. I had to film it a couple days later. I think I filmed the first part like I think last week, so I'm filming this video the very next week. So refreshing. I have my hair products. I use the got2b glue, the blasting free spray. Not sponsored, but I use this to like spray my hair, and I like to keep it down for a certain amount of time. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just keeping it down, but it's been wrapped up for a while now, so I'm gonna take it down now. And I'm also like sorry if the lighting is not too good. Like, I'm struggling here. It's kind of sunny out today, but not too sunny out today, so you know. You get what I'm saying. I don't think I told you guys why I used the got2b spray, but I use the got2b spray because it like keeps the flyaways down. So if I have like flyaways in my braids, I like to use this to like keep the flyaways down when they start poking out and everything. Let's get into the hairstyle. I like to wear my hair like this a lot of the time, but we're not gonna do that. That's not this video. I recommend you guys having at least 2 scrunchies for this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm back. I got 2 scrunchies. One is blue and one is black, but it doesn't matter. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to do like a half up, half down look, right? A little bit. And I'm just putting half up, half of the hair, and I like to start splitting it and just like pulling some down again, because like it'll give me a headache if I put too much up. So I like to take half up, like basically like put it in a little bun up there. I take the other scrunchie and I just put this like that. I just like hold that. I hold that in the back. So I want the bang, or whatever you call that, like the swoop of the braids, to go this way. So I'll take pieces from this side so it's able to give me that swoop effect and look. And then look, you have your little swoop effect, right? If you want a little bit more, you could do that. I look a little crazy right now, but now you want to start like perfecting the top ponytail. So now that I got the top part up, now I'm gonna take the little swoopy part and I'm going to, oh, it looks kind of, oh no, that's not what I did. So now I'm gonna take down all my hair. So I like to pull on it a little bit to make it more like, you know, dramatic effect. I like to take this. I don't know if you want to take a rubber band for this part. I'm gonna get a rubber band. So I'm back. Now I'm going to take a rubber band right here, as you can see. And I'm just going to, I'm not gonna put it up like that because I don't really like the way that looks. I'm just gonna tuck it behind. I'm gonna just connect it to another braid. I'm just gonna wrap the rubber band around it. So then now the hair is up, and this is what the hair should be looking like by the time you get to this step. Turn around, do a little. Yeah, okay, we're feeling it. What you wanna do is you want to do your little edges. Now that you got the hair, I'm sorry, I keep burping. First and foremost, you're gonna need an edge control or edge styling. I like to use this one by got2b. I use like, this is not sponsored, guys. I just use got2b. This is the Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, the black one. I like it. I use it for my edges. I find that this is the only thing that really not really holds my edges, because I've found edge controls that hold my edges like really well. I find that this edge control is just, it doesn't really break me out as much when I'm like washing my face and stuff like that to wash it off, because a lot of edge controls, they'll like break me out and I don't understand. I finally found like an edge control knock on wood. Finally found one that doesn't break me out. So I like to take a little bit, I like to squirt a little bit out and put it onto my hand. And then that way also, since the swoop is not connected to your ponytail, you could like redo your ponytail how many ever times you want to like redo it. Ooh, my camera looks like it's falling. Sorry about that, guys. Not good production value. So yeah, if you don't like yours this high, it's okay. But this is how mine is looking. Some people, you may not like the way I do mine, but this is the way I do mine. So like if you have braids or like your natural hair or whatever, you can do this style. I think it's so cute. And then what I like to do is I like to take my it's dirty right now, so don't mind it, but I like to take this edge holder or edge scarf, and I like to just hold my edges with it. And then I like to take this olive oil, castor oil, this cream. I love this stuff. It smells so good. And I put it on my braids. It smells so good. And I like to take it. Super cute. And like I said, the style is super easy, super cute, and it's fast. Like, it's really fast. I'll show you the finished product after I take the scarf off. This is the hairstyle, guys. I think it is so cute. I actually have one more thing that I want to show you guys. So I tend to get a lot of gray hairs. I don't know if it's just from stressing. I don't know if it's just because I'm getting older. Genuinely, I don't know. I like to use this stuff by Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco. Perfect edges in the color black. But yeah, so that's it for this look, guys. I'll be on my way to work soon. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please stay tuned for more videos coming soon. And yeah.